Good afternoon, my amazing scientists. So I wanted to make sure that I made a separate video for you to help you out with setting up your account on BrainPop. So this is Google Classroom. This is 4C's Google Classroom. Hey! And I'm going to show you what it looks like when you first log in and where you need to go. So here we go. When we first log in, it automatically goes to the stream, which is right here. Sorry. And then I'm going to click Classroom. And the first thing that I see is attendance. Remember, if you were in our Zoom live today, to go and fill out attendance for Monday, Wednesday, Friday. There's your riddle of the day. But this is the area that we're focused on. We're learning about wavelength and amplitude. Today's date is the 13th, so this is for this week. And so today is Monday, and this is BrainPop. So I'm going to click on that, and it shows me directions right here. We will watch the video to review and play a game on BrainPop. Your class code is right here. The video is the first thing that you will watch, and then you're going to play this game, which is right over here. And then step 3 is to play Waves on a String. And then step 4 is to come and fill out this exit ticket. There's only 2 questions, so you can do it. Anyway, this video is to show you how to log on to BrainPop, not how to navigate Google Classroom. We already have a video for that. So I'm going to go ahead and just click on the game. And so it brings me here and it says, if you have a username, don't forget to log in. I do not. And so I have to go up here where it says enter code. Ooh, I forgot what that code is. Where can I find that code? Well, you can find it either on Class Dojo. I posted your class's code there today. Or you could go back to Google Classroom and your code is on Google Classroom. So I'm going to, not move that. I'm going to put this code in here. I happen to have written it down, so. And then I'm going to hit submit. And then it takes me here. And first instinct would be to type in right here my username and password, but that is not what we're going to do. So I need to make sure that we understand that the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click on sign up now. So this area right here, new to BrainPop, that's you. We're new to BrainPop. We don't already have an account or a login. So we're going to click sign up now. And then we're going to put in our first name and our last name. And then your username is going to be your first name. And then the digits 112. Okay. And our password is going to be FSI STEM with a number 4 behind it. FSI STEM 4. And then your security question, what is your favorite subject? You most definitely should put science, because I'm your science teacher, but just kidding. Put whatever your favorite subject is. And then you get to choose one of these. I think I'm going to choose the fish, because I love fish. I have 13 pet fish. And create account. Congratulations, you've been set up. Never. All right, so now I would scroll down and click log in. Now I can log in because I now have a username and password. Boom. Check it out. So here's my dashboard, and oh look, Ms. Breslin left me an assignment. So I'm going to go over there and do that assignment. Scroll down. I have my movie to watch, which is 4 minutes. And then I have my game to play. And then I have one other game to play. And then I go back to Google Classroom and I do step 4, which is my exit ticket. Open that up and then answer those questions. If you have any further questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.